Hello, this is Mr. BNSF Train, and welcome to my Thomas and Friends Tomy Trackmaster collection. Starting with this Mattel Thomas, which is the one that I normally use for Thomas, which I added a white running board feature to. I have a couple of Tomy Thomases, the Easter Thomas, another Mattel 2010 Thomas, Trackmaster 2 Thomas, and the 3 custom Thomases. The old Mario custom, Bowser custom who lost his face, and a plain black engine. I might take the face off Mario and use all these 3 as background engines. Moving on, we have Tomy Edward, but I bought him in Trackmaster packaging. Got Mattel Talking Henry, Tomy Gordon, which is from 1995, which is the oldest Tomy engine and runs really well still. Got Mattel James, which I added the white running board to. And here's my first Tomy engine, Tomy James. Got 2 Tomy Percys, Trackmaster 2 Talking Percy, and a Tomy Toby. Moving on to the next row, we have a Hit Toys Donald, Hit Toys Ben, I believe. He doesn't have a nameplate. I don't know if there's any differences between the faces of the two. Tomy Diesel, Tomy Mavis, Tomy Stepney, Tomy Emily, Tomy Spencer, Tomy Murdoch, Hit Toys Murdoch, which doesn't have the tender, Tomy Arthur, which is this one, and Hit Toys Arthur, Tomy Neville, Tomy Molly, Tomy Dennis, Hit Toys Billy, Hit Toys R.C. Stanley, and Hit Toys Flora. And here we have Hit Toys Hero, Mattel Charlie, Mattel Bash and Dash, Ferdinand, Mattel Bell, Stafford, Trackmaster 2 Timothy, Trackmaster 2 Gator, and Trackmaster 2 Rebecca. And moving on to the narrow gauge engines, we have Hit Toys Sir Handel from the Sir Handel in Charge pack, Hit Toys Peter Sam, Tomy Rusty, Hit Toys Duncan Does It All, which has mud all over him, Hit Toys Bertram, Hit Toys Victor, and the Mattel Victor. Note the different colors in the windows. And now the road vehicles, I only have these 2. Here's Tomy Terrence, which came with that big load and unload set. But this one I didn't get without the set, and I got used. I don't know if it was ever sold new without the set. And we have Hit Toys Kevin, which was produced in 2009 and came with these 2 wagons with special couplers. And this load can be removed and is magnetic. I'll do a whole video on Kevin coming soon. Now I got my passenger cars. We have Hit Toys Annie, which I got to replace this Tomy Annie a few years ago, which has which can no longer hold a front coupler. And this was the matching Clarabelle, which I turned into a tan coach long before I got a replacement Annie. Tomy Henrietta, 1 Tomy Express coach. I really want to get at least 1 more. And got these Tomy red narrow gauge coaches, but I use them as standard gauge coaches too. They're both red. I don't care. And got this Hit Toys Refreshment coach, in which the top pops off. You can use it and turn around. We got Flora's coach and the Mattel She Inside coaches, which I use as express coaches or Emily's coaches. Now on to the brake vans. I have 3 of these little black vans. This one's Tomy, this one's Hit Toys, this one's also Hit Toys, but it came without its wheels, so I use it as a scrap brake van. Got the green Hit Toys brake van, the yellow with gray roof brake van, which I use as Flora's brake van, and Toad without a face, which is Tomy, this very nice Trackmaster brake van, and these 2 Mattel logging brake vans. Now moving on to the freight cars, I have 2 of these Tomy troublesome trucks, one of which came with these barrel loads, this Hit Toys truck, which came with Stanley, Tomy Scruffy, oops, knocked over a car, and got these Mattel red trucks, both of which are a different shade of red. This is a Hit Toys green truck, a Mattel brown truck, which I sharpied in the outer lining, and this blue truck with a red carpet, which came with Charlie. This little blue truck with logs, this little green scrap car, and this little gray empty car. Got this long truck with mail loads, and the long ice cream truck with removable ice cream loads. 2 slate cars, each of which came with animals. This cow car came with Duncan, and this one came in the Easter set. Got this steel beam flat car and these logging flat cars. And now on to other rolling stock, which don't have any ability to carry any loads. You got this ice cream van, the McColl's chicken car, the circus carnival car, the green mail car, the red mail car, or stuck, there it goes, and this blue electric van, which is only printed on one side, and got 2 Tomy fuel tankers, a Tomy milk tanker, a Mattel water tanker, 2 Hit Toys mining trucks, Hector, a Mattel coal hopper, and you got this little car which came with the jet engine, which was actually sold without the jet engine, in a pack with the express coach, Henrietta, and Toad. Got the breakdown train, there's the clown tent car, which pops in and out as you move them along, this Mattel searchlight car, and this Mattel steel car, molten steel car. And these are my Trackmaster 2 cars, this small truck, small van, this China clay car, Rebecca's scrap car, and this van, which I did some basic weathering with some sandpaper and some graphite. And here are my 3 non-Thomas Tomy items. All of these that were purchased in person in America. We got this Hyper City Patrol Liner, which comes with a figure, a foldable front coupler. This unit here carries the battery, and also this little car here, which can be stored and can couple up to the front. Got the fire liner, in which you can fold this off and the front spins around like Mighty Mac, which I do not. I'll just leave that there. This little Also comes the little figure, but I put them here. Also, this thing moves, and so do the ladders. And we've got this 300 series Shinkansen, which runs on this remote control, but unfortunately the battery terminals have broke. So might try to get like a different train to replace it. Probably an N700. And last but not least, my buildings. You've got this Tomy Wellsworth station. This one here, which came with a pullback set. This Farquhar station, which this piece is removable. I can't remember if it's a Hit Toy or Mattel. It's a Mattel Lower Tidmouth. I'm surprised this was made by Mattel, since this set, the Lower Tidmouth, hasn't appeared in a really long time. This Mattel Marin, which I weathered using the same method I used for weathering the van, a Tomy tunnel, and 5 Tomy roundhouse sheds. And that's all my Tomy Trackmaster Thomas collection. And in total I have 55 locomotives, over 70 pieces of rolling stock, 2 road vehicles, 5 stations, a tunnel, and 5 sheds. Thank you for watching.